vibrant colors, designer colors, silk fabric, pure jacquard fabric. Plus on the neck area you can see the designing, you can see the zari work, and you can see this collection as well. It's going to be very beautiful. You can see the vibrant green color as well. You can see the dupatta. The dupatta is going to be very beautiful. It is going to be with the cut work. You can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, contact us. And secondly, if you're watching this video from another country, maybe US, UK, Canada, Japan, anywhere from the world. Hello friends, so today I brought you very unique and designer three-piece collection in silk fabric. You can see the collection, it's so many collection. I have to see this collection. You can see the first piece, very beautiful. It's in jacquard fabric. As well, you can see the neck area. You are going to see the thread work as well, the zari work. Plus, it will come with the lining. If you're watching this video from any place, you can order these collection, but it is going to for B2B, not for B2C. You can see this collection, it's very beautiful. Plus you can see the pants as well. Plus you can see it will going to come with a single elastic, very beautiful pants as well. And if I talk about the dupatta, you can see the dupatta as well, very beautiful dupatta. Plus you can see the CP work in the dupatta as well. And this is going to be very affordable collection. You can buy these collection because you know Ramzan is approaching, a lot of festive is approaching. If you have Indian customer, if you're watching this video from maybe from Malayalam, maybe from Kerala, maybe from Tamil Nadu, maybe from Hyderabad, you can order these collection. These are going to be very beautiful collection. You can see the next piece as well. You can see the designing of this piece is very beautiful. It is going to be with the another, you can see the beautiful sequence work. It's going to be very beautiful. Plus you can see the proper printing design on the fabric, and it's going to be very beautiful. And I'm going to show you the next piece is going to be very beautiful. In this set you are going to get 4 pieces, same color, same design, medium, large, XL and double XL. You can see this piece as well. It's very shiny and it's very beautiful. As well on the neck you can see how beautiful it's crafted. You can see the neck area also. It's going to be all the zari work and the thread work. If I talk about the dupatta, you are going to get pure Banarsi dupatta with the jacquard fabric. You can see the dupatta, you can see the 3D work. As well you can see the zari weaving border as well. This is going to be very affordable. If you want to order these collection, you just have to do one thing. You can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, contact us. And secondly, if you're watching this video from another country, maybe US, UK, Canada, Japan, anywhere from the world, you can order these collection. You can just video call us. There is no MOQ. You can order as much as you want as per your requirement. And if you want any another collection, you can get it. You can see this collection as well. It's going to be very beautiful. You can see the vibrant green color as well. You can see the dupatta. The dupatta is going to be very beautiful. It is going to be with the cut work. I'm going to show you the dupatta as well. You can see the cut work, very beautiful, crafted. You can see the sequence work, zari work in the one dupatta. If I talk about these collection are going to be very profitable collection, because if you keep this collection in your shop, in your boutique, these are going to give you very good profit. As you can see, the collection is going to be so much vibrant colors, designer colors, silk fabric, pure jacquard fabric. Plus on the neck area you can see the designing, you can see the zari work, and it was going to come with again the cut work dupatta and the pants. This is going to be very nice collection. And if you're watching this video, you can comment down below from where you're watching this video. You can see this next collection as well. It is going to be very beautiful. And I'm now going to show you the bandhani collection in the jacquard fabric. This is the bandhani collection with the shibori printing and the neck area. You can see very vibrant neck, and in these also you are going to get the color option. You can see how beautiful this is crafted. If I talk about the dupatta, you are going to get the proper bandhani bandhesh dupatta. as well the bandhani printing. You can see this dupatta. This is proper 2.5 meter dupatta in the 3-piece ready-made collection. Now I'm going to show you the last collection. This is not the end. You're going to get a lot of collection for Ramadan, lot of festivals. So if you want to order these collection, like the channel, comment the channel and share and subscribe, and comment down below from where you're watching this video.